Hello, this is Nathan Mannion from Humanities 201, Food, Culture, and Nutrition. I appreciate you coming to my video and listening to what I have to say. I'll be talking to you about the global nutrition and health of Ghana. I am doing this because there's an issue in this country, and it should be known that this takes place. We're going to talk about what happens and how we can fix it. Let's start by talking about what, where, and who Ghana is. Ghana is a country located in Western Africa and on the Gulf of Guinea. As of 2020, the population of Ghana is about 31 million people. Ghana is one of the leading countries in Africa because of its natural wealth. For example, Ghana has the 9th largest reserves and production rates of diamonds in the world. Ghana accounts for over 50% of the world's cocoa. Ghana historically had gold along the rivers as well. Ghana still currently mass produces oil barrels every single day. Although Ghana has all these natural productions, which can lead to wealth, Ghana still has many problems, including health issues, and Ghana has bad health issues relating to food and consumption. The land of Ghana is vast, from grass plains to the mountainous regions to sandy beaches and houses on a lake. The main foods that can be grown here are rice, tomatoes, plantains, and beans. There are plenty of other foods that can grow too, like lettuce, cabbage, and onions. Although they are able to grow foods like this, they still run into problems with food. The first issue I would like to touch on in Ghana is undernutrition. Ghana ranks among top in the world in chronic childhood malnutrition. 11 to 14% of children are underweight in this country at age 5 or below. Being underweight is not healthy. This can lead to many risks, including growth being stunted, nutritional deficiencies, which cause diseases like osteoporosis, and not being able to heal from wounds or injuries as fast as others. On the other spectrum, we have children being overweight. Roughly 3 to 5% of children are underweight in Ghana, or underweight. Issues with being overweight include higher risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. On both spectrums, it can take a toll on you mentally and possibly bullying. Let's compare these numbers to those of the US so we can get a better understanding of what this looks like. In children 5 and under in the US, 3.5% of them are underweight. We can see by comparing this to the 11 to 14% of Ghana that here in the US being underweight is a lot less likely. But on the other spectrum, here in the US, 13.9% of children under 5 are overweight. As we compare this statistic to Ghana's 3.5%, we can tell that in the US, it is much more likely to be overweight as a child. Why is it that these are the statistics? We'll start with undernutrition and being underweight. Ghana is relatively a more poor country compared to the US, and they do not have access to everything that the US does. In Ghana, a rural area is much different than a rural area in the US. In the US, a rural area, we think of a country with gas stations and maybe a market. In Ghana, a rural area can be a makeshift houses made from natural resources and needing to buy food each day from local sellers, possibly no refrigeration, etc. So food is not as commonly available. As for overweight children, it is less likely in Ghana according to the statistics because of how less available food is in areas. In the US, the cheapest food is fast food, which is widely available, making it clear why being overweight is more likely in the US. So what does this mean for children in Ghana? Well, the future of these children can be an unhealthy one. Not having widely available foods can lead to many issues, including micronutrient deficiencies. Some examples of these micronutrient deficiencies include vitamin A, iodine, and iron. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to dry skin and eyes and night blindness. Iron deficiency can lead to irregular heartbeat, low birth weights, or premature births, and becoming anemic. As for iodine, this deficiency can lead to swelling in the neck, pregnancy issues, and learning issues. As we can tell from these micronutrient deficiencies, they can be debilitating and lead to a very unhealthy lifestyle. The cause of this is because of a variety of food not being offered or being bought in the country. It could be because the food is not being transported there or because people could not afford it. But let's take a look at what foods could help solve this problem. So what foods could help get rid of this problem? For vitamin A can be solved with foods such as spinach, sweet potatoes, and carrots. These are all foods that can be grown in a farm and could be more easily accessible for the people in Ghana. Iron deficiency. Foods like red meat have lots of iron and can be a bit harder to get and more expensive. Fish has a bit of red meat as well, and may be more accessible towards the shore of Ghana. Vegetables like broccoli and kale have iron in them as well. Iodine deficiency. The easiest, most accessible for iodine deficiency may be iodized salt. Besides this, foods like cod or dairy can be used too in order to fix this deficiency. Easier said than done, but a variety of food would be the healthiest option and allow for the best growth of children and adults. This is what can occur with too little food, but how about if too much is eaten? Obesity in Ghana is not as prevalent as malnutrition, but is an issue no matter what. In Ghana, obesity seems to affect the older women population more than any other category or group of people. Obesity is an issue and can cause issues like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancers. Cardiovascular disease can occur from eating a high-fat diet or not getting enough physical activity. Cardiovascular disease is very unhealthy and can lead to death. In order to fix this, eating a lean and colorful diet is recommended. Diabetes is another issue relevant in the area of Ghana. Diabetes can occur from genetics, but it can also occur from not getting enough physical activity and being overweight. Diabetes can be fought with the help of healthy foods like beans, leafy vegetables, and healthy fats. As for cancer, cancer can be genetically given as well, but a diet with processed foods high in salt or high in alcohol can be risky. It is shown that a diet high in a variety of vegetables, whole grains, beans, and other plant foods can be helpful in keeping your body clean and healthy of these carcinogens. Overall, eating a better diet can lead to a longer, healthier life. A healthy diet and a lifestyle can lead to a longer life. Let us take a look at the life expectancy in Ghana. In Ghana, as of 2005, the life expectancy was 57 years old. Although this number is rising, it's quite lower than other countries, including the US. The US is at 78.7 for an average. This is over a 20-year difference. Why is that? Well, we have already gone over how a diet can play a role in your health. But how about medical treatment? Let us take a look at the healthcare system and its availability in Ghana. Ghana's healthcare service was established in 1996, which was a necessary step in establishing a more equitable, efficient, accessible, and responsive healthcare system. The GHS is here to get primary care healthcare in the Ghana region. The objective of this service is to implement approved national policies for health delivery in Ghana, increase access to good quality health services, and manage prudently resources available for the provision of the health services. The GHS functions to develop appropriate strategies and set technical guidelines to help achieve Ghana national policy goals and objectives, undertake management and administration of the overall Ghana health resources within the service, promote healthy mode of living and good health habits by people in Ghana, establish effective mechanisms for disease surveillance, prevention, and control in Ghana, determine charges for the Ghana health services with the approval of the Ghana Minister of Health, provide in-service training and continuing education in Ghana, perform any other functions relevant to the promotion, protection, and restoration of health in Ghana. This is the goal of the program, but what is the availability? In Ghana, according to the MOH.gov, there were 68 public hospitals in Ghana, 1,832 healthcare facilities, 15,824 inpatient beds. Per 100,000, there are 72.25 beds. From looking at this, we can see that yes, they do have healthcare facilities available, but not widely. In Brong Ahafo, there was not one public hospital. Also, according to MOH.gov, there were 3 doctors per 100,000 people and 35 nurses per. Living in a rural to urban area did make a difference in the quality and availability of healthcare. In major urban centers such as Accra, there are numerous hospitals, clinics, and 24-hour pharmacies, while most rural areas are isolated and lack modern healthcare facilities. We can see that there is room for improvement in the healthcare system. In Ghana, the National Health Insurance Scheme, NHIS, was established by the government of Ghana in 2003. The program is a form of national health insurance established to provide equitable access and financial coverage for basic healthcare services to the citizens of Ghana. Overall, Ghana is a country in Western Africa that has many health problems going on. These are occurring due to the lack of food in general, as well as lack of variety. Ghana has both extremes of rural and urban areas, where some people have money and eat well, where others lack resources to live a healthy lifestyle. Ghana sees many health-related issues, and this causes early deaths, premature births, or an unhealthy childhood. Due to this, it would be important to have a healthcare system in place. Luckily, in the past few decades, there have been steps in the right direction. We have seen a universal basic insurance available, and hospitals pop up. The urban areas are better shaped than the rural areas. This country could use funding for more hospitals and serious problems as well as more doctors and nurses. More natural food should be grown and be more readily available for rural and urban areas too. If more funding and healthcare options appear for these citizens, it will allow for a healthier lifestyle. This is my citation page for all my information used. Thank you for coming and listening to my project on the global nutrition and health of Ghana. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two on what issues are occurring right now in this country. These are issues that can occur around the world, so it is important that we take this example and learn from it. Thank you for listening.